Well, good morning, and I'll get a day or two for some. Anyways, I made a compilation here. This is going back on Friday when it was the SRY's westbound trip entering Quayside Drive, just outside our Newsman station, before they were about to do their annual switch up on the CNR side. So it was very interesting to see 384 leading the train from the westbound, and then the 385 trailing behind, and then I don't know, I lost count of the cars. It wasn't too shabby. So a lot of hoppers, one boxcar, a few tank cars, and the con says no center beam or whichever. So I was surprised in that. But anyways, just enjoying. And then I went back to Trap Yards and got some still shots and made this reels compilation and some other mix of CP, CNR, and via rail and some other stuff is near the end of this stuff or in the middle of the mix. Anyway, please enjoy.